So pandas is a very important thing. Okay, because by using pandas only, we used to handle all your data science stuff. So that's the reason I'm telling pandas is a very important one. So today we'll discuss about Pandas series. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about Pandas data frame. So if possible, we will discuss both series and the data frame both today. So and then we have something like handling missing data, and then we have something like group by, and then we have something like a merge, and then we have some assignment, and then we have Pandas operation. This is a very easiest thing. So this two will be one concept. So this all this concept are very important. Okay, by using this concept only, you are just going to handle the data cleaning, data pre-processing, grouping the data, reading a SQL file or reading an Excel sheet, and then what else we can tell, data transformation, everything we used to handle with the help of all this pandas stuff. And one more thing is, the series is a very basic thing. We won't use the series. We used to go ahead with the series for what to say, your um, normal normal testing purpose. So simply creating some dummy data set. So those kind of stuff we will go ahead with the series. So the next thing is, your Pandas is a framework which is a very easiest framework. Okay. Now series. The series is a very first thing that you are going to learn is a data type of your Pandas. Okay. The series is exactly similar to your NumPy array. So you handle something with the help of NumPy array. So your series also exactly like your NumPy array. Okay. So you can able to make some key name key value pair. So this is not a dictionary, but it is exactly like a dictionary. I'm telling. You can't tell this as a like a dictionary. This is one data type. Like that we can able to tell. Okay. So we used to import NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. For pandas, how we will go is import pandas as PD. And then pandas dot series. So numpy dot array, the exactly like you need to give pandas dot series. So S is a caps. So I give a open bracket, close bracket. Let's wait this to execute. So because here we have a asterisk symbol now. So let's wait. Yeah. So pandas dot series. So inside this pandas dot series, this is a normal syntax that you guys know. So like I gave a open bracket, close bracket. Here what you need to give us, we need to give two list data type. Okay, I'm just telling this is a list data type. So what I'm giving is 100, 200, 300 like this, and and comma one more list data type. Here I'm just giving A B. Okay, and then we need to give a one more name now. See the output, your key name, key value. So like this we are getting now. So the always the first array, the very first array is your index value. The second array it's a index name. Okay. So like this inside this panda series you are passing two argument. So by default the very first argument is your key value. The second argument is your key name. Okay, what you can able to tell here is You can tell something like index equal to. You can tell something like data equal to, like this. So if you are giving an index equal to data equal to like this, so this will becomes a positional argument. So if you are executing, you can able to get the same output, but I am telling you can tell like this kind of position argument as well. So now what I'm going to do here is let me give this as an index. Sometimes when we are using like this now, it will give this kind of stuff. No, no, I didn't press anything like that, Akash. So when we are just editing, it sometimes it will like this only. Okay. See now, index data. So I just give index first argument as an index and second argument as a data. So now all your 100, 200, 300 becomes a key name, and A, B, X, C, D, E, this all becomes your key value. So like this, we can able to create your Pandas series. Okay. So we can able to create a Pandas series without this keyword arguments. So if you are creating a keyword without keyword arguments, the first argument is a key value. The second argument is a key name. You can able to give with the positional argument, like you can able to give like with this name. So when you are giving with this name, it will comes like this. Okay. So you can able to create a Pandas series in any manner. It's not a problem. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is let me copy this. So your key name, the second argument and the first argument, it may be anything. You can able to create here arrays, or you can able to create here what is this called a string. Here you can give a key name as a integer. We can able to give anything, not a problem. So I'm getting PAD is not defined because here I imported pandas in the name of PD. You can able to import in any form, but why we are importing like this? For to make this as a short form. See, we got the output like this. Tom 100, Bob 200, Nancy, Dan, Eric. We are getting something output like this. So the next thing is what we are going to do here is series.index. So when I am giving an, so what is here series? SER, SER, that is nothing but the variable name which we given. So here I given an index. See, it will give you all the index name. So by using this, see all this concept, what the index, everything will be up. We will be applying in your data set. When you are handling the data set, you will handle all those things. So make sure that you understood everything. Okay. So the next thing is, okay. Now what I'm going to do here is I want like we are going to apply our indexing. Okay. So series dot no need of series dot like this only we will apply the indexing, right? So variable name square bracket. Now we need to give a one more square bracket here. So now what I'm going to do here is let me copy this. I want to get this and I want to get this. Okay. See, you can able to get the key name key value pair. So it when you are just applying like this, we need to give a one more square bracket. So that's the syntax. So apart from what we can able to do is we can able to give with the help of index position. So like 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1. It always start from 0 only, right? So like this. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So we gave a 3, 2, 1. So you will be getting output like this. So in the which direction we are giving, in that direction we will get the output. So apart from what you can given here is you can give something like dot locate. So by using a dot locate also, what it will do is you are just going to locate out the variable key name. So you will get the output like this. See this normal index position by using a locate or without locate, if you are giving a key name also, you will be getting with the key name only. So you will be getting a key name and a key value pair. So now what I'm asking you to do here is, I am asking you to give one more thing, series dot index locate. So 2. Now what it will give is, it will give only the value without the key name. So when you are just going to read the full data set, by using a locate and by using this normal indexing method, we used to get the row name, that means row number and a value. But when you are going for an index locate, it won't come with the row name. So it won't come with the index. It will come with only the value. So mostly we will prefer this index locate only. Okay. So I locate is mostly the preferable one. This two method is used to give your key name, key value both in output, but index locate it will give without this stuff, without the key name. Okay. Only value we will get. Okay. Now what we can able to do here is we can able to apply something like this as well. So each and every value which is available here, only values will multiplied with the 2. You can able to do something like this as well. So only this 2 name, you can able to apply exponential or multiplication division, whatever you can able to do. Now let's we go with one more thing. I'm just copying this. So I imported the numpy and pandas we imported. But we already having a pandas, no need of again giving, but I just copy pasted, so we'll be getting. So see, what are the things here we are having? Just observe this. You are having one list with a string, another list with numbers, and one numpy array, and one more dictionary data type. Okay. Okay. Let's we start with pandas dot series D. You know what is D here? Uh, Dictionary data type. Now, see the output. Key name, key value, key name, key value, key name, key value like this. Okay. So like this we can able to make a, so by default you will get the key name key value. Because that's a dictionary data type. From a dictionary data type, you made these things now. So it will give all those stuff. Okay. So now what we are actually going to do here is um, pandas dot series my underscore list. See the output. In listed data type, you have 10, 20, 30. By default, your series giving a key names like 0, 1, 2. See the output. By default, you are getting 0, 1, 2 like this. Okay. Okay. What else you can able to do here is you can able to create a panda series like this as well. My list, comma, labels. So labels is a by default. If you are not giving any key name, you will get your zero, our normal index positions as a key name. Okay. So now I am giving a labels. So first is your value, second is your key name now. So you will be getting output like this. Like what you can able to do here is you can give a data equal to like this, and even you can able to give like the same like our index positions also we can able to make it. So like this we can able to make whatever you want to be. So even though you can able to create a numpy array as well as series. So pandas.series, the array variable name, you will get the output like this. So this all the way that you can able to create your panda series. Okay. Now we are having a one more I'm creating a one more panda series. Okay. I am creating an one more panda series. So observe the series for 30 seconds. You have total 4 values. Here you can just use like this or use like this to tell that only I'm using like this. USA, German, and here Italy, here USSR. Both are having a Japan. Okay. Now USSR is not available in series 2. Italy is not available in series 1. Now what I'm going to do here is series 1, the variable name plus series 2. You understand? Let me execute this. See the output. So first it will make everything in alphabet order. So Germany is here, second index position here and here. So the second value 2 plus 2, 4. Always we get in a float value only. Then again Italy. Italy is available here in series 2, but it's not available there. So Italy value 5 plus NAN, you will get a NAN. What is NAN? Not a number. Okay, NAN means not a number. Or all the null values also we will get in a NAN. And then Japan. So adding this two value 4 plus 4 8. And then USA 1 plus 1 2. Why we are getting USSR as a NAN? Because USSR are actually available in series 1, but it's not available in series 2. That's the reason. That's all. So the next thing is, yeah, it's all done. So the next thing is data frame. So like you did some Panda series 1 and series 2. If you are going ahead with the data frame now, how it will looks like this. Let me get this. See the output. See, such just observe this. Pretty print means it will give the prettified output. Okay, like a normal print, it will give a prettified output, but still with the prettified output also we are getting the same kind of string. So you just no need to worry about that. So see, I created one dictionary with the one is a key name, another one is a key value. Observe the key value. It's a panda series, key name, key value. So it's a Python dictionary, but in key name I give one, key value I give a panda series. Two and key value I give a panda series. Okay, okay. Now what I'm going to do here is when you are just giving a print of D, you are getting output like this. But I want something like a table format. Okay. So pandas dot data frame of D. See the output. So how it works like this: 1 2, your key name comes as a column name. This key values, this index name, it actually comes as a what is this called, row name, and all the values will match it up. For 1 you will be getting 100, and 2 you are getting a triple one, like this. So this is what data frame is. When you are having a messy data set in your data analytics, so we always needs to submit the output in a table format only. Okay, so all that messy data set, like if it looks like this, by using a data frame concept, you can able to make it in a complete structural output. So to make a structural output, we are using a data frame. That's what your data frame is. Okay. So it's a very, very important thing. The data frame, Pandas data frame, which is actually impressed by R programming language. Okay. Okay. So the next thing is, what we are going to do here is, so print of X. See the output. So if you are using a print, you will get the output like this. If you are using without print, see the output. So only the UI design will change. So using a print or without print, you can just go ahead with your own decision. But we always prefer without print. Why not? You will be getting something highlighted and then like this. So this is looks better than this, right? So for that perspective, I always use without print. Like how you guys want, you can go ahead. So I'm just explaining everything. So like this also you can able to create a data frame, like only a few elements and column names. So from the data frame D, you want to create a data frame for only this index and this columns. But column 5 is not available there, so you will be getting everything as a NaN. And giving an index, it will give all the index names, that's all. So giving a columns, it will give you the column names. Okay. So now what you can able to do is variable name, column name, equal. So always we used to handle something like this only. Okay. So x. Okay. I am giving 3. But 3 column you don't have. Correct. So x 1 plus x. See the output? 1 plus 2. The 1 column and second column, it's assigned to third column. So here you are having a NaN, and here are you having a value. So NaN plus value, you will get NaN. And here you are having an NaN, here you are having NaN value, NaN, like this. If the value is NaN, then we will get the output also NaN, like this. Okay. What next is, okay, like this. So I'm just creating a one more element for true or false. So I just applied the condition. So the output is true or false. You will be getting output like this. And you can able to apply the pop in the list is, it will remove the last element, right? So the pop, and then insert in our listed data type, what it will do, it will insert in the particular column, right? So in the second index, it is going to, this is a second index. Okay, let me explain this index here. X dot insert. Okay, so what's the first index position? 1 2 3. Okay, so now what I am giving is a 2. This is a name. And so first you need to give an index position. Second, you need to give a column name. Third, what you need to give is a value for the column. So what is the value for the column? I am just going to give a value for the column x1 into, okay, sorry, I need to give it to the quotes here. The column name 2. See, your second index, so 0 1 2, second index, column name is name, so which you given, and the third index is nothing but the value for that. So multiplication of 1 and 2. See the output. So like this we can able to make it. Okay. Okay. So the next thing what you can able to do is, you can able to, okay, I am just creating something like this as well. Okay, let you guys just understand this by your, okay, let me just create this. See how it's coming. Observe this. Observe this for 1 minute and let you guys, can you able to tell me? So guys, understood?
Ma'am, how these values came? 0 point minus and all this.
That's what I am asking you. How these
I
values came?
this I think is this the graph x and
Yeah.
don't know.
NumPy dot random dot random. What is this?
Will give random numbers
Uh, for?
for index all these elements.
No, no, no. See, it will give a random number for how many rows, how many
How
columns.
many columns? 5 rows and 4 columns for all these random.
Correct. So you got the output 5 rows, 4 columns. Now you need to give an index name and a column name, right? So here I give a complete string. This is a string data type now. So I give an index equal to one string dot split. So split is an inbuilt function of your string. So now what it will do is it will split each and everything, right? So if you are not giving anything here, then it will split based on the uh, what is this called, white space. So based on the white space, you will be getting your index name. The same like your columns you are getting. Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So the next thing is what we are going to do here is okay. And apart from everything is a kind of indexing slicing only. So like this, you can able to like like I want to get only the W, so you can able to apply like this, so you will get only the W values. So apart from we can able to do like this as well, so W and Z both. So this method also we can able to apply. So variable name dot the index name. But if you are applying like this is a SQL syntax. It is not recommended, so don't use this. But I am giving here for your understanding purpose. That's all. And apart from everything or like whatever we discussed the same. Okay, I didn't explain this only the in place. I will explain this in place to you now. And axis 1, axis 2. So see, I'm going to create one new column. So the new column, that's nothing but the will be giving a value as a new, and this is nothing but the addition of x w and the x. You got the output like this. So now what I'm going to do is I am just applying a removing purpose. Okay. So when I am applying a remove axis equal to 0, 1 means it will remove the full column. So here you guys need to understand axis equal to 1 means it will remove the column. Axis equal to 0 means it will remove the full row. But here I want to remove the column, so I give axis equal to 1. So let me execute. The new is removed. Again I am giving a df. See, you are getting a new here. The new is removed only the temporary purpose, but it's not saved to the variable name again. So what you can able to given here, you can able to give something like this, df equal to. So the values will applied and again it will say to this variable name. Okay. Instead of this method, what you can able to do here is you can apply in place equal to true. See, now the changes applied. So by default, when we are applying something, it won't save to the variable name. So when again we are calling the variable name, we will get the exact data type. So if you are using in place equal to true means the changes will be applied to the variable name as well. So the changes will make a permanent change. Okay. So that's what your in place equal to 1. Okay. Okay. Here I want to remove the complete E data type. So see the E. So I'm using axis 0. So like this. Okay. So the remaining everything are locate, index, locate, whatever we discussed only. So the remaining everything you guys needs to try and let me know if you are having any doubts. So, okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I want to go ahead with one more thing. So you are having a DF. Now I am just giving a reset index. So what are the index name that you are having? A, B, C, D, E. If I am applying a reset underscore index, the value of A, B, C, D, E, it will remove and you will get the output like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this is your index value and this A, B, C, D become as a one more column, index column like this. Okay. So that's the thing you guys needs to take care. Now what I'm going to do here is, I'm applying something like this. See. Okay. So I am making some more stuff like this. So df, we will be getting an output like this. Here we didn't apply the in place equal to true. So that's the reason the changes is not affected to df. So you will be getting the normal one. Okay. Now what we are having is a B, C, D, E like this and we are having a states. Now I want to make the states as an index name. So whatever here we are having, I want to make the states as index name. So see, now this all your index name, your ABCD is gone. So that's what your set underscore index. Reset underscore index means it will give you A, B, C, D, E. So by default, it doesn't affect the DF. So again, if you are printing a DF, you are not getting output. So you need to apply with the in place equal to true. Okay. So reset underscore index, it will make all your index zeros and ones. Set index, you can able to make a new index by removing the last one like this. Okay. So always try to use the in place argument. Then only it will apply the changes to the variable name. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. In our Google Classroom, you guys needs to practice the 1 and the 2. 1 is a series, 2 is a data frame. Clear? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So today you guys just to practice the series and the data frame. So tomorrow again we will start by 6:30. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about only multi-index, nothing more, because that's a very little bit confusing concept. So just to go through this, we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.